My dear friend, look at those zipper on my hand. We have the size from the number 3 to number 10. Let me show to you one by one. This is the number 3. So let's check the running situation. Number 5. It runs also very smooth. This is also number 5. This is number 7. And this is number 8. So let's check it. And this one is number 10. Even we have a number 4, but I don't have the slider on my hand now, so I cannot show to you. What this zipper function, we made a bed. So you see, you need a good quality to make different bed. And for example, inside this is a number 7. And if inside has a zipper, normally it's number 3. Let me show you another bed. For example, this bed. We need a zipper, runs very smooth. This is table tennis bed, and also we can see from here, very smooth. And inside not the small one. If inside has a small one, we normally people use the number 3. Let's check here. You see, this one is the trolley bag. So this is trolley bag. Also this one is the trolley bag. Or we say suitcase bag. Suitcase zipper. Okay, this is a trolley bag zipper. So if you need the high quality zipper, you're welcome to contact us. Thank you.